truck. Fire truck, fire truck. I wanna ride on my fire truck. Fire truck, fire truck. I wanna ride on a fire truck. I want to sleep in the fire station. Wake me up when the fire bell rings. I'm gonna put on my hat, put on my coat, put on my boots. Phew! Then I'm gonna get into my fire truck, fire truck. I wanna ride on a fire truck. I have a hook and ladder, a hook and ladder. I climb the ladder and I hold on tight. I'm gonna get out the hose and I'm gonna shoot the water. I'm gonna shoot the water from the hose on my fire truck, fire truck. I wanna ride on a fire truck. When the fire truck comes near, people put their hands right over their ears. They do that because the noise is so loud from the siren of my fire truck, fire truck. I wanna ride on a fire truck. When the fire is all put out, I'm gonna jump into my fire truck and turn it around. I'm gonna go back to the fire station. I'm gonna have a hot bath. A hot dinner with a hot food like hot chicken, hot macaroni and cheese, and hot broccoli. And for dessert, I'm gonna have some cold ice cream. Jump into bed, pull the covers up to my head. And I'm gonna dream about my fire truck, fire truck.